Hi everybody, this is day 2 of our teleformation and we are going to explain the solution of the exercises I told you to do. Okay, the first one was 24 if I remember well. It was about this. You have to guess what is the depth of a hole. Okay, here we are of a well. In English we call it a well, and this is the drawing we have. Okay, so we know that is 1.2 and this is 0.8, and we have the height of the people who is standing there. The goal is 1.7. I have made this drawing and you can see this is the 1.2. This is the data we have to know, and this is what are from the well, and this is what our height. So we have two similar triangles here, and we use 1.7 is to x or to 0.8, what x is to 1.12, or the same, it is really the same. Say 1.2 is to 0.8, what x is to 1.7. So you do this and the result is 2.55 meters. Okay, now we are going to check the other exercises. 34 and 35. I told you about the cones. Here we are. We have a cone here, and we know that this radio is 2 centimeters, the height is 3, and this bigger radio is 5. So we can do the same. We have the same two similar triangles. This is the smallest one and this is the biggest one. Okay, and we guess what is the total height, and the total height is this, only this piece. It is 4.5 and the whole one is 7.5. So we use the formula. The formula is set a third of p r squared multiplied by the height. So 1/3 p 5 squared, because this is the radio, okay, multiplied by 7.5 because we need the total volume, okay, the biggest cone, and the result is 62.5 p centimeters cube. Okay, and the last one was about this drawing. It was 35 and we have a cone and inside we have a cylinder. Okay, so we have two similar triangles as well, the biggest one and the smaller one, and we do the same. We don't know this, but we can guess because we have 10 is to 4, what's everything 14.4 plus x is to x. Okay, and that we get the 9.6 centimeter, and this is the answer, because the answer is set what is the height, the total height of the cone. So the total height is 9.6 plus 14.4. Okay, this is the first video of this today's class, and please check the other video because we are going to explain something, another type of exercises. If you have any question, please let me know by sending me an email at mariciprofedemates@gmail.com. Okay, see you later. Bye.